Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am, in this video, I am stuffing some mini savings and we're gonna see how well we do today. I have 12 that I'm still working on and my goal is to complete all of them by the end of the month. So I have a 12-sided die. I have $40 here, and we are going to see what we can do as far as completing some challenges today. Hopefully, I'm not sure. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. We have 11, 9, and 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, we have 3 again, 6, and 12. Here's 12. 1, 2, 3, and then we have 6. 4, 5, and 6. And we have 4, 6, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I just put $4 and 4. 6 again. 6 again. 4 again. 5. 1. 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 again. Oh, that is a 12. So we have 12, 7, and 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. Okay, and then the final $2 will go 11. Okay, so here is 12 and 11. Okay, guys, so let's see if we completed any challenges today. I am going to take everything that I saved from the mini savings and transfer it over to my long-term savings. If you have been following me for a little bit, my number one goal for 2025 is to aggressively pay down my mortgage, which I am starting this month. And then I have 2 other goals: to put savings in my high yield savings account and then start to save for a new car. I would like to pay cash for my new car so that I do not have any debt. I am no longer in consumer debt. I only have my house to pay off, which is why I am aggressively paying off my home. And so that's why I'm saving for a new car so that I'm able to pay cash. Okay, so that was 4. And now we have a total of 10, $16, okay? Halfway done here, and this challenge is budget with receive. Okay, so nothing for the number 2 spot. The number 3 spot, we had $4. And this challenge is Financial Dreams with Christine. And that is 2 and 4. So we need just one more here, which gives us a total of $14. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I will have all of the freebies in the link below. Our next spot is from Mama Spicy Savings. And today we are saving 2 for $6. Guys, so yay, happy new year. I am excited again about 2025 because I am eager to pay down my mortgage. Okay, so I'm just praying that that the strategy that I'm putting in place like exceeds my expectation. So at the end of the year, I will see how well I did. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $24. And again, this is Mama Spicy Savings. So we're just about halfway done here as well. Our next challenge is from Mix Match and Maggie. No, Mix Match Maggie. And we saved $4 today. In this challenge, invest in your interests. So I know January is a time that many people start to focus on goals, create goals, and see what their passion and interests are. So this is a super cute challenge to help focus on that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So we are about halfway done here as well. It'd be super cool to complete these challenges towards the end of the month. And then therefore, I would be able to stuff my long-term savings. Promoted by Boop and Budgets. This challenge is from Cash and Color Budget, Cash Budget and Homemaker, Coffee and Budgets, and Ali Coco Budgets. And today we saved $4, $6, and $8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. We are more than halfway completed with this challenge as well, guys. So we have 20, 2, 4, 6, 8. We have $30 saved so far with this challenge. So, yay. $2, Busy Lizzie Budget Challenge. Super cute, January, which is also my birthday month. Let me see. Let me use the pink. And again, we have $2 saved here. So we are definitely more than halfway done with this challenge as well. And so far we have $28. Super duper duper cute. Okay, nothing here for Save with Rose, but Boop and Budgets we did save. This is another birthday challenge. We saved $2. And so we currently have 5, 10, 15, and 20. $26. Yay. So halfway done with this challenge as well. So this is another Boop and Budget challenge. We wasn't able to save there today. $2 with Budget with PJ. So we're close to being halfway completed here as well. Just about. So we have total savings 4, 5, 10, $14 so far saved with Budget with PJ's freebie. And guys, all of these challenges are freebies. I love this community because we have a lot of freebies going around. And I do have a freebie in this group as well, but we didn't save any money for it. 2, 4, 6, $8. And this challenge is I'll always save 4, 6, and 8. Looks like we're just about halfway completed with this challenge as well. And so that gave us a total of 10, $24. So yeah, I would say we are just about halfway completed with this challenge as well. So guys, we didn't complete any challenges today. However, maybe next time we can start completing some challenges because I would like to have them all completed by the end of the month so that I can transfer the funds into my long-term savings, which are my high yield savings account and my new car savings fund. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.